What's going on, you guys? Today we are going to run through some of the features that we have here at Brand Driven. We're going to go over some funnels, obviously some websites, and just kind of give you guys the basics of what we are about here. So we're going to go ahead and create a new website. So when you first sign up, you're going to be brought to this page right here. So right here, you're going to have a bunch of templates. There's tons to choose from. So let's go ahead and let's do business, and we'll go ahead and do this one. We'll just name it test site for video. Here you can choose your brand colors. This will pop up. You choose your brand colors. So we'll go with like an orange. You can upload your logo here. We're just going to do a text logo. So do test website logo. You can go in here and make it bold, change the text style, the color, things like that. And then we're going to click submit and go to my site. So once you do that, it's going to populate your website right here. This video will pop up and it'll give you like a brief overview of what this builder is about. So you can always go and watch that as well. But we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. Sorry. So right here, you're going to have your template. Everything that already comes on here. So once you're in here, and this is where your logo is going to be, you can click this and, change it to an image or the text logo again, whatever it may be. But once you're in here, this is where all your widgets are going to be right over here. So, all the different things, bookings, member login, things like that. You can change the global styling for the entire website, change the color palettes, things like that. Change the fonts. What else we got? Website layout, so you can make it like full width, or you can narrow the width of the actual website. See, when you move this, it changes everything, or you can do boxed, and it just narrows it down. But we're going to keep it full width for now. You can play around with that. Let's discard changes. Funnels. So you can go in here and create funnels. Website settings. So right in here is where you'll be able to change these icons and logos right here. You can change the title right here if you wanted. This is all under general. You go down here to domains. This is where you can connect your domain that you buy from, like GoDaddy or wherever you buy your domains from. You're going to go on here, type in the domain, connect domain, and then it will give you like directions on what you need to do for that domain provider. You can change the website language, the format. You got cookie disclaimer. You can turn that on. Do your disclaimer text right here, the button, where it takes you. You need that, especially for California and Europe. So this is where you're going to do all that. No discard. Applications. This is where you can add like API keys, and if you're working with like, let's just say, Stripe or something like that. Like you need to connect your website to another application. That's going to be right here. Add application. Here you go. MailChimp, MailerLite, Facebook. Here's some of the apps right here. Email server, webhooks, things like that. You can go in here and personalize. So the system for the whole website. This is going to basically, once people log in, it'll recognize who's logging in, their first name, last name, their email, and it'll just give a more unique experience to that person that's logged into your website. And then URL redirects. You can go up here to custom code and do some custom coding right in here. Most of it's going to be done right here in the custom head markup. And then we got page SEO. So you can do this for each individual page. We make it super easy. You just type in the title, the meta description, and then as you write them, these will change colors. So right now it's orange as you type. And add a longer title, it'll turn green when it thinks that it's good enough for the search engines. Same thing for meta description, image, add the sitemap obviously, and then here's all your page info. So if you wanted to change it to something else, so testing, and then you want it your website / testing, that's where this is going to be. And you can add this to public, password protected, or members only. So if you create a page where it's member access only, they'll have to purchase that membership in order to access that website, and they'll get that login information once they sign up. So that's that. And then we're going to go right up here. So that's the builder. You can go in here, mess around. Everything's like super easy. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Double click. Testing website. Woo! You can edit the menu. You can move around where you want these things to be. And it moves it up here, all in real time. You can actually change the names right here as well. So we can name this home test. Boom. Changes it up here. Edit styling. You can come in here and play around. We'll have other videos too that dives more into this stuff. I'm just trying to give you guys a general overview of the actual platform itself. You can change it to different styles. So this is like tablet view, phone view, how it's going to look on the phone, things like that. So that's generally the builder area right there. Next, let's go over to the store. Here, super intuitive, makes it super easy. It gives you step-by-step right here, so you can create a new product, connect a payment processor with the ones that we have set up with our system. You can add your store details, shipping methods, everything right there. Here's the dashboard, so where all your sales will show up. Your subscriptions, upsells and downsells. That's another cool feature that we have here is when people are checking out, you can do upsells or bump offers, which is really, really cool, and clients really like having that feature. And then you can, see what your top products, top users, and top sources are right here. You can do custom ranges or whatever you want to see. We'll go over here to orders. This will show all the orders that you have, abandoned orders, things like that. Very straightforward. Products, this is where you can add your products, add product, physical product, digital product, service, membership. We got more. You can import products right here. We can go to subscriptions. You can see all your subscriptions. So, how many you have, each individual one. You can see the analytics, the churn rate, and subscription products that you have right here. You can come over here to discounts and add whatever discounts you want and add those to funnels that you have or whatever the case may be. You got the layout and styling. So how do you want the product page to look? How do you want the product layout on listing page to look? Cart page, checkout page, cart quick view. Very, very intuitive and customizable. So you can give a fully unique checkout process from A to Z. And then you can also go right here to your store details. Email for orders notifications. So what email do you want all your notifications to go to when orders come in? All your store details, general, you guys can go through this and kind of get the idea. Payment processor to take all the payments online and check out all the good stuff. Well, like I said, we'll have later videos on how to do all this stuff. So that's that. And then you can come up here to contacts. It'll kind of give you a brief overview of, this portion of the website and funnel builder. This will be all your contacts that you receive from the website. So somebody does a form on the website, signs up for a membership, subscription, everything. All your contacts will be right here. You can do messages right here. So this will be where all your form submits go, and you can actually reply to them right within this dashboard right here if you so choose to, or you can email them from your email directly, but you can do it all from right here. This section is super cool. If you're like a coach or somebody that needs to a hair salon or barbershop, you need to create bookings or appointments, you can do that in this section right here. Bookings and appointments. Create a booking event. We'll have a detailed video on just this to help you guys walk through how to set this up. But it's just a cool feature that we have, booking and appointments. Then we got emails and automations right here. Super, super intuitive. You don't need another CRM platform. It is all built into this system. So you can go right here, automations, create automation, abandoned cart automation. So if someone abandons cart, you can have a full automation with email follow-ups and things like that to try and regain that client back with those discount codes that we showed you earlier. Blank automation, test. Come in here and click to edit your automation trigger. So this is where you're going to add your trigger. So you can come in here and see when they get added to a list, remove from a list, tag, go through it. There'll be more too as you start adding stuff like different sections to these other things like shopping and products and things like that. More will pop up. And so if they get added to a list, we don't have a list yet, so we'll just do default. So when a contact is added to the default list, then they will get an email. And you can enter the email subject, form, and then start building your email. And we have a bunch of templates in here for emails, or you can just start and do a blank one. It's totally up to you. Again, this is going to have to be in a video in and of itself. But super, super cool. I can't express enough how much this helps our customers. They don't have to have two platforms. They can have it all in one. And it just works together perfectly and seamlessly. You don't have any data transferring back and forth between apps and, things not going smoothly, I should say. And then you have analytics and goals. So if you set up an automation, you can see how it's performing, which will allow you to make tweaks if you need to. And you can just kind of see where they're opening and dropping off in those automations. Discard. And then we got just some settings in here that we can go through in a later video. It's nothing too important. You guys can, I'm sure, mess around with it and get what you need out of it, but not everybody needs any of this stuff. Let's see, what else? Campaigns. So we can start a campaign. So if you have a list of people that is not part of automation, you just want to send out a spring sale. You can send out a one-time email campaign to all your customers with your spring sale just one time. And you can do that throughout the year, so that way you can get all your sales in. You can, right here, again, connect your domain, create lists, start an automation, add subscribers. Super, super intuitive, like I said. So this is a basic overview of the website builder. Then we can go up here and we can also create a funnel. So say you have a sale going on and you want to just promote that one sale on its own separate funnel and page. You can do that in this platform as well. So this is a website and funnel builder. Again, everything into one platform, which makes it super easy. Everything talks to each other, and there's no data miscommunication in between. So we can go in here and we can do sales and product. There's lead generation, webinar, lead magnets, opt-ins, appointment, home, course, if you want to run a course or academy, and coupons. So yeah, so let's go ahead and let's do a lead magnet. We'll go in here and select this one. Test lead funnel. Oops, added a Z. So again, you get a quick overview of the funnel system, but what is super cool and which makes it nice that it's all in one platform is that everything is literally identical up here. So when you create this funnel, everything is the same. You don't need to learn anything new. So once you know how to do something, it is the same for website or funnel. You go in here, you can edit just like the website. Say you're good with this page and you want them to move to the next funnel. Stay and save. We'll save this. So this is the first step of the funnel. You click up here. Okay, here's the next step. So you can edit this, which is super cool. Drag and drop. You can go in here and add another heading if you wanted. But we'll get rid of that because that doesn't make sense. Yes. But yeah, you can go in here and add any of these other widgets directly on this pop-up for the next step. Discard. Also, when you go over here, you click this funnels button while you're in the funnel, and these are the different steps that the funnel is going to be. So you can go in here and rearrange them like this. You can do your own settings, so you can remove goal if you don't want this to be a goal anymore. And which is super cool is you can see where people are dropping off. So say you have 100% here, and then 50% here, and then 3% here. It lets you know where you're losing people and where you can maybe improve your funnel. So this is like the last part of the funnel right here. And then download resources. But if you're doing funnels, I'm sure you know the process of what a funnel is and what to do with the funnel and what you're trying to sell. So I just want to show you the basics here. You can see your visitors and how many reached the goals, different goals. Sales revenue from this funnel. And in this funnel, you can as well do upsells, downsells, and bump offers. Super cool. Total number of orders, products, and top performers, so you can see what's doing the best. Also, you can go in here, to settings, and domains. And this is where it is super cool. So once your domain is connected to your actual website, this will be your website name right here. And then you can change what the subdomain is. So you go right here, change subdomain, and we're going to do test funnel. Change, yes. And now our funnel is testfunnel.yourwebdomain.com. So it keeps all your branding together, which again, like I was talking about earlier, is why it's so cool that everything's done on one platform. It all talks to one another. You don't have to do a bunch of connections. Once you do it once, the system already knows that it's all connected and talks to each other. Everything else in here is basically the same as the website. We'll dive more into, it's disabled because it's brand new. But we'll dive into more of this stuff in depth in some later videos that we're going to be doing. We'll do videos on each individual aspect of the platform. That way you guys have like a how-to guide on how to do certain things, what to expect, and how just easy this system and platform can be to build your websites and your funnels and just take your business to a next level. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@yourbrandriven.com. And I think that is it for this video. So for that, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and share this video with anyone that you think could benefit from a website builder or a funnel builder that's priced well and has everything included in that price. I've also forgot to mention this price does include the hosting, so you get a ton of stuff for your money in this platform. Again, like, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video.